Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with my first design team project for the month of August for Craft Supplies for You. And this time I have altered a box, and the inspiration for this box came from a show that my dear friend Siobhan got me hooked on. It's called Escape to the Chateau. You can find some episodes on YouTube, I believe. If you're in Canada, you can see all the episodes and all the seasons on the cbc.ca website. They're free. If you're in the UK or Ireland, then I believe it's on Channel 4 for you guys. But basically, excuse me, the premise of the show is this lovely couple who buy this rather dilapidated chateau in France. And it's the story of them moving there, remodeling it, and opening the chateau up to the public for doing weddings or gatherings of that sort. Now, I was inspired by one of the episodes where the lady found all of this beautiful vintage wallpaper in the attic of the chateau. Some of it was hand painted. It was absolutely stunning. And she decorated a room with it, but she didn't have enough to cover the walls. And so what she did was she cut the wallpaper into these diamond shapes, put it all over the wall, and then she used, I think, like a blue Chinese braid, and she went in between all the pieces. And I had this beautiful wallpaper that's vintage that Siobhan sent me, so I thought I would give that technique a try. So that's where my inspiration came from. And I've altered this box, and it's kind of like a sort of French-inspired dresser box, I guess. So what I did was I cut the wallpaper in the different colors. You can see there's a taupey color, a pink, a yellow, a green, and a blue. And I fit all the diamond shapes, and then I did the edges with parts of diamonds, and then the sides and everything, just so it fit on the box perfectly. So that was the first thing I did. I did paint the box and crackle it, but I'll get to that in a moment. And then what I did was, instead of using Chinese braid, I used this beautiful trim from Craft Supplies for You with the little pink flowers and the green leaves. I just thought it was so pretty. It just matched with the wallpaper beautifully. And then I used some of my doodad flowers. In the show, she actually put upholstery tacks at the joins of the trim. And I do have some, but I just thought the little flowers looked so pretty. It almost looks like a little garden trellis now. So that's what I did. And then this is the front of the box. I added this beautiful tulle trim from KS4U, and you can see here I added more of the floral trim from KS4U around the edge as well. And then, of course, the famous loopy flowers. I put 3 there, and then 1 on the side here, and then 1 on the side here. Underneath that, when you lift this up, I used some of the white Chinese braid from KS4U, and I avocado dyed it, and it came out this beautiful soft pink color. I added 2 more pink loopy flowers just on either side of the closure. And then this trim was gifted to me by Cindy Duncan when she entered my doily page challenge. Hey Cindy! And I have been hoarding it for a while, but it just worked perfectly on here. It's got 3 layers. And I believe it's vintage too. And then underneath here you can see I painted the box a really pretty soft pink color, and then I did a crackle technique over top and then added white paint on top of it. The bottom, I've just put felt on the bottom. I think I might add pearls, and Julie's got some really big pearls in the store that would be perfect for this. So if you're looking for feet for a box, Julie's got quite a few things in the store that would work. So the Chinese braid goes all the way around the box, front, side, back, everything. And then when you open the box up, the inside, let me just move this a little bit. There we go. The inside, I used more of the vintage wallpaper. I did the top in pink, and then I used more of the KS4U Chinese braid here around the edge. This is the avocado dyed one. And then here I've used a backing. It's a metal piece from KS4U, and the rhinestone trim and the cameo are also from KS4U. And what I did was I just kind of gessoed the metal piece, and then I added stickles on top of it, so it's very sparkly. And then the rhinestone trim, what I used was my alcohol inks. You can color your rhinestone trim to any color if you have alcohol inks. You just kind of put a little dot on, and I used a pink alcohol ink and dyed my rhinestone trim. So that's the top of the box. And then here on the bottom, I've used the pink wallpaper and then the beige wallpaper on the sides, and then I used just the white Chinese braid from KS4U on the inside. And you can see it's crackled and very old looking, and I'm really pleased with how it came out. I love this technique that the lady did on that show. The show is so inspiring to Siobhan and I are just enamored with it for sure. We love this show. So definitely check it out. It's called Escape to the Chateau. I think you guys would like it. It's very inspiring, and the lady that runs the place, she's very, very crafty. So there's a lot of things on there that I find inspiring. So I hope that you like my little French dresser box. I think it's going to be going as a gift to somebody soon. So I hope that they like it as well. And that's it for right now. Don't forget the links for the 2 stores for Craft Supplies for You are in the description box below. And also Craft Supplies for You has a Facebook group as well. So definitely check that out on Facebook. And I will be back with another video soon. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.